Alright guys, what's up? It's American Airlines 7. Today we're doing the unboxing of the NG model 737-800 in the One World livery. I've been like dying to get this plane. It's like an awesome plane. I wish I could have gotten the regular livery, not the One World, but this is still awesome. So yeah. Just show the box. Sorry about the fish tank noise. It's kind of annoying. Let's open it up. And I still do have, another box coming in from Easy Toys, but that won't be here for like another week. So yeah, just stick around for that. Stay tuned for that, I guess. This is hard to do with this thing on my phone. Alright. Whoa, this is pretty. This is a business card. Never seen that before. This is my second NG models. Oh wow, they give you a little, is that a discount code? It's pretty cool. Oh, they launched a program. That's really neat. I didn't know that. I say, this is my second NG models. My first one was the Southwest 737-800 in the Canyon Blue livery. So, kind of new to NG, but I like their stuff. And yeah, this plane is freaking awesome. Wow. Feels like it has rolling landing gear, which is pretty cool. Alright. Oops, sorry. Oh shit. Sorry about that. Wow, so yeah. This is, holy crap, dude. This is insane. So yeah, NG models did not disappoint. Let me tell you guys, this might be one of the best planes in my collection. This thing is insane. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. When I went to Tampa a couple years ago, I flew on a this exact plane. Not like the exact registration, but the American One World. And also, this model, it's really nice. It has some weight to it. Like, although it's a 737, it still has like weight to it, which is nice because it doesn't just like, I don't know. And it's got rolling landing gear, if that matters to you. American Airlines, beautiful One World logo. I love the blue with the silver. Looks so good. Wi-Fi dome. There's the registration. Tail looks amazing. The winglets look amazing. Engines look amazing. There's the underside. Yeah, all around, good plane. The nose is awesome. Come on, focus. Focus. It's not gonna focus, but whatever. There we go. Yeah, overall, great plane, guys. Yeah, not much else to say. Great plane. This is gonna be an amazing one to add to the collection. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys very, very soon.